Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. You have created an amazing YouTube channel with great content, but now you need to get more viewers and subscribers. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of using Google Ads to promote your YouTube channel effectively. First of all, log into your Google Ads account if you don't have yet. Create an account at ads.google.com. Once you are in, navigate to the Campaigns tab and click on plus new campaign. Now it's time to select your campaign goal. If you want to increase brand awareness, select brand awareness and reach. If your goal is to drive more traffic to your YouTube videos, choose website traffic. Then select video as your campaign type. Next, enter a name for your campaign. Set your daily budget and choose your delivery method. Standard delivery spreads your budget evenly, while accelerated delivery spends it as quickly as possible. Targeting the right audience is crucial. Google Ads lets you choose your audience based on location, age, gender, interests, and more. If you are promoting gaming content, for example, you might target viewers who are interested in video games. Decide where you want your ads to appear. You can target YouTube search results, specific videos, or related channels. This ensures your ads reach the right audience at the right time. Now, paste the URL of the YouTube video you want to promote. Choose an ad format like skippable, in-stream ads, or discovery ads. Make sure your video has an engaging thumbnail and a compelling call to action. Your call to action is important. Direct viewers to your YouTube channel or a specific playlist. Use phrases like subscribe now or watch more videos to encourage engagement. Before launching, review all your settings. Make sure your budget, targeting, and ad placements are correctly configured. Once everything looks good, click Launch to start your campaign. After launching, track your ads performance in the Google Ads dashboard. Monitor metrics like views, click-through rates, and engagement. Adjust your targeting, budget, or ad copy to improve results over time. And that's it. By using Google Ads effectively, you can grow your YouTube channel, reach new audiences, and boost your engagement. ready to take your channel to the next level. Start your campaign today. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.